Hello students, today we are going to learn the difference between ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Ideal solution are those solutions which obey the Raoult's law over entire range of concentration and temperature. And the non-ideal solution is which is do not obey the Raoult's law over entire range of concentration and temperature. In the case of ideal solution, the delta H, that means the change in enthalpy of the mixture, is equal to 0 always. And in the case of non-ideal solution, the delta H mixture is equal to not equal to 0. That means the change in enthalpy in the case of non-ideal solution is never 0. And the change in the volume of the mixture is equal to 0 in the case of ideal solution, which is not equal to 0 in the case of non-ideal solution. If AA reacts with BB and form the product AB, the intermolecular interaction of the AA and BB is equal to the interaction between the A and B, which is in the case of ideal solution. In the case of ideal solution, the interaction between the molecule of the reactant is equal to the interaction between the molecule of the product. In the non-ideal case solution, the interaction between these reactant and product are unequal. That means here the two cases means the non-ideal solution are two type solution. One shows positive deviation from Raoult's law and other is shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. In the case of the positive deviation, the interaction of the AB, which is product, weaker in comparison to the interaction between the reactant molecule. The example of the positive deviation are ethanol chloroform solution and ethanol acetone solution. But in the case of the negative deviation from Raoult's law, the AB interaction means the interaction between the product molecule is stronger than the interaction between the reactant molecule. And the example here are the acetone chloroform or the water HCl solution, which is the example of the non-ideal solution. Okay, I think you understand. If you have any query, then write in the comment box. Thank you. We will meet in next video.